guys, it's me Khesyinii here. I hope you guys are doing good, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys haul, just full of haul from Shopee. A specific shop from Shopee which is Lovito. They have sponsored me in this video, so I'm so excited to show you guys what I got from them. Let's get into the video. So I got about 14 to 15 pieces of them, I can't really remember, but this is the first thing that I got. Let me go through the dresses first. This is their tie-dye or moon type of dress, I'm not sure, but it's slim fit, the only extra small they have, but it fits like glove. I'll insert a clip right beside me to show you guys how actually the material and how does it fit on me. So I really love even the cutout at the front. And the next one, a dress. I love how this is actually different. It's kind of short, but I love how it's very stretchy. Like, look at that, that's very stretchy, and I love how it actually fits on me because it fits like glove, I swear, no joke. But this is only S. I'm usually in the extra small to double extra small, but S fits me. So if you guys are a bit small, don't worry, you guys can actually fit the S because it's stretchable. It's kind of short, but it's unique in its own way, and nothing goes wrong for a simple black dress. Next, I'm more of a very, mild color, like neutral, black, brown, nude, white. I stepped up my game and bought something that is out of my comfort zone, which is this green, like mud green color, or I'm not sure what is the exact color of this. And it's cute, and the best part is the back. Like, look at that. You can't really see it in this side, but you can see in the clip that I'm showing right now. It's just dope. It's just different from what I usually buy. Alright, the next one is another black dress. This one is a long and has a split at the side. Yeah, it's very nice. It fits like glove again. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this dress because it's just nice, like, what else can I say about it? It's very stretchable. It's in the size of S. It's like 34S, and it's just in the nice length, and it's like not too long, not too short, it's just perfect in length. And I really love the material because it's very stretchy, and I'm not sure if it's made out of polyester or cotton, but it definitely feels so good on the skin. Okay, I'm in love with a very simple backless dress, and this is just definition of simple and backless dress. Like, it's like super duper chill in the front, and then it's like boom at the back. You get me? Like, we have to give that little surprise for those people who see us, right? But it fits like glove also. It's kind of big on me, but I got it altered, and it fits perfectly now. I love this dress so much. Just can't wait to wear it. Oh, you can pair this with the Versace heels. Like, oh, obsessed. I love this dress. Alright, for the next one is this Lovito pink floral dress. I'm not sure how I feel about this dress, but then when I put it on, it's like, wow, girl, I actually can slay pink, which I don't like. There's a cute bow at the back, which I'm actually obsessed with, and it's also an open back. A nice touch to this dress, trust me, with the sweet neckline at the front and the back. I'm just obsessed. On to the next one is this dress. I have no words for this dress, just super duper cute. What do you guys thought I'm gonna say? It's like so cute, but it's super short. Like, if I bend down, you guys are gonna see the whole world. It's like super duper short, and the material is thick, which I'm in love with. Like, thick materials just shows how expensive the clothes is, even though it's not expensive. This is like super duper reasonable. You guys can use my code, which I'm gonna put it out in the screen, Lovito to get 22% off from the shop, from the whole shop. Like, go get yours now. It's like 22% off and it's already super reasonable. You guys can get it from Shopee. Let's hop on the next. Alright, this is the set that I bought. I wasn't sure why I bought it. I bought it in L. I got it altered and it fits perfectly right now. I don't know why I went with blue when I only wear neutral colors, you know. I just got it, you know. And the set is cute. Like, look at that. This is the skirt and the shirt has actually, it's like a tie up at the front. It's very long though, but it's cute. So why not? I love how it fits on me. And I love how the color actually complements my skin, so I'm obsessed with it. Okay, the only top that I got from Lovito is this top. I'm not sure why I only got one top when I actually have millions of dresses but less top. But it's okay. I got it, so this is the top. It's a one-shouldered top. Very cute, very simple, very basic. Oh, it's very cute, very simple, very basic. And it has this cutout at the down here. Also very cute. Like, just pair with a blue jeans. Talking about jeans, I got a jeans from Lovito as well. It's different from any jeans that I buy. So it has a cutout. I've worn it. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys would have seen me wearing these jeans. But yeah, it has a tear at the front and at the back there. It's not on under your butt, it's just like around your leg area. There's a fade in the jeans color. It will go well with that black top though. So the next one is my favorite one. It is this set. Like, I have no words of the quality from their shop because it's just dope. Like, this is their gym set. One of 20 of their gym set. Like, they have shorts, they have jackets, they have a lot of activewear there, and this is my favorite among all. Like, the color is, and the sponge, everything is just super duper soft. And the pants, the yoga pants, it fits perfectly around my leg also, because I usually have trouble in the length of the pants that I purchase, but not with Lovito. I love how it actually gives shape around the butt area, like this chevron shape here, and it's also super stretchy. One second. I love this set. Guys, this is the last one that I got. I guess this is like their Valentine's Day promo or Valentine's Day packaging. It's so cute. But I got their pajamas. Okay, I'm not sure why I got pajamas. I'm not a pajamas type of person, but I just can't resist getting these pajamas. It's like super cute with little tiny hearts as the ball, like a polka dot hearts, and it's super stretchy. It's not very tight as everyone wants in the pajamas. It's super comfortable. Like, when you go to sleep, you just want to feel cool and cozy. This gives you exactly that. So who doesn't want this? And plus, you can get it for 22% off. So good, and it has a lot and multiple colors, options, sizes. It goes up to extra large from extra small. So you guys can go get yours now. Alright guys, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed my haul, my video today. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below what you guys want to see next. And I have an interesting video for you guys in the next week. Don't forget to stay tuned. Don't forget to turn on the post notification. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.